Hi, I'm Ashwin, and we're excited to participate in the Congressional App Challenge with our app PhenoWatch.
Hi, I'm Kritik, and today we'll be diving into the who, what, and why of our app PhenoWatch, and we'll get through this by diving into a live demo and presentation. Let's get started.
Farmers are losing crops and millions of dollars because they can't predict one thing, the blooming period. It's time to stop guessing. We built PhenoWatch and we're passionate about technology and environmental science, and we're using those skills, specifically data visualization and analysis, to empower farmers with real-time insights into plant blooming patterns, which is needed since a blooming plant means it's able to produce fruit that can be harvested. PhenoWatch is the solution we developed for the Congressional App Challenge, turning NASA data into actionable bloom predictions. Now my friend Kritik will go over the real reason why we chose this particular challenge among others.
Here's why we value this challenge strongly. I visited southern India to meet my grandparents in summer, and my grandfather took me to visit the village. While visiting, here's what I learned. What I've noticed is that farmers mainly have relied on their traditional knowledge and basic weather patterns to decide the right time to plant their crops. However, unpredictable climate patterns have made the knowledge above less reliable, causing crop failures and financial hardships. But Phenology data insights could optimize their planting schedules and create a more favorable growing seasons on a daily basis by reducing precious resources such as water, fertilizers, increasing their crop yields, and this also minimizes pest infestations that often interfere with some blooming periods. Now, why is phenology so important? Phenology is the study of the timing of environmental occurrences around the world globally, and this is important because it helps create a sense of control on environmental functions.
So you might remember us talking about using NASA data, specifically DAMET and NASA Power, but you might not know what they actually are. DAMET is a NASA program that utilizes ground-based weather stations to provide long-term estimates of daily weather and climatology variables. NASA Power uses satellite observations of solar irradiance, like from the SEERS mission, and global atmospheric models for meteorological parameters. So when you actually use our app, the first thing you'll be able to do is select the crop, the latitude, longitude, and prediction year. And these are all the factors that go into where you want to actually predict the blooming period. And then you hit the predict bloom date button, and the predicted bloom date along with data for the days leading up to that predicted bloom date will show up, and it'll also provide a chart showing the area around the selected location that this predicted bloom date will hold accurate for.
Now, here's a live demo of our app. Here you can select from the drop-down menu the desired crop you want to analyze. Next, you can enter the designated latitude and longitudes for your location, and then enter your prediction year, and boom, hit predict bloom date. And once it's loading, you'll see data based on your given input. And here you go. And that's it for a live demo of our app. Thank you for listening to our presentation.